What's the date today? January 6th.
7th.
January 7th, 2020.
It's either the 6th or 7th.
It is 8:34 in the morning. And it is 35 degrees outside.
I don't even know where we are. Are you asking me about dates? Hi everybody! Welcome to another amazing adventure of Adventure Joe.
I'm Adventure Joe.
And I'm Minnesota T.
It's January, which means time for another round of the Adventure Joe Challenge. Camp once a month for an entire year. This is our 4th month, and we're going back to Sischo Bayou. Are we ready?
Let's get this adventure started.
Let's get this adventure started.
Welcome to another amazing adventure of Adventure Joe.
You're close?
I was close. I was about 4 inches right.
I know, I don't know why I keep on.
There was a squirrel who jumped at the exact same time I fired that.
You'd have been a squirrel killer.
Yep. All right, you got this. You got this.
Oh, a little higher. Oh, seen it? Oh, I hit the snow.
You'll notice we're building a structure around the fire. The wet logs we're putting around the fire will eventually heat up and dry, but that wood will also get warm all the way through. This makes the fire much warmer, and it keeps the heat around us.
Dude, I'm like, my piece is like 2 times size.
Right.
$8 for this piece. I'm like, in Alaska, at a little gift store.
Yeah.
The first mosquito of the year. Relentless.
We're in for a hell of a year.
Scott,
Yeah, look at it.
first mosquito of the year.
Oh my god.
Ah. Yeah. Oh, God, I know. You're going to say no.
It's a new age.
It's a new age. They're new bugs. Oh, I see another one. Wow.
You did this before. You bring the whole pot of thing, everything. The big mama pot and everything. Mama.
Aww, welcome to dinner.
What do you have in your champagne glass?
Beer. It's a Coors Light.
Ooh, what do we got going on here?
We got the Minnesota wild rice soup.
Wild rice soup, eh?
This is Paul Harvey's wild rice soup. Okay,
Ooh.
if you don't know who Paul Harvey was, he was a big radio personality.
Oh,
You look him
and
up.
that was the rest of the story.
And that's the rest of the story, yes.
Yes.
That is true.
Yep, go for it, Frank.
I almost wiped out in that tree. Hi, tree.
There we go. You got it. You got it. Oh no, it's a scoop and grab. For the Muskegon, Michigan land speed record, Adventure Joe. Let's do this. We got this. Gonna ride the ridge. Oh, that was a whole bunch of snow. Grab the rope. Thank you for watching the amazing adventures of Adventure Joe. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to tell your friends, and always remember to chase your dreams.